If I had to live my life without you near me, my life would be so empty. Na 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 na. So Lord, yes ma'am, good morning. Ay mo na, okay na ma'am, dalal kuan lang kanang nanam ko'y copy dali, kopyaw na ko na. Wait sa. Unsay apelyido ni si Pabiliaran. So 3 2 4 8. Magtawag kami sa station kung magpawiliin ha. Thank you. Na 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 na. We both know we both na 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 na. Touch me now, I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. Na 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 na. Be sure, oh, I wanna ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. Cardiac unit, good morning. Tolo, then ang isa kay with carotid. Okay, thank you. Cardiac unit, ma'am. Pa-will-in sa inyong for the echo. Si Sunlayan, male medical ward. Ay, ano saan siya nga station? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ma'am, cardiac unit, good morning. Pa-will-in ko ni patient Sunlayan. Ay, sorry.